Here are your guided instructions on making a coffee filter snowflake. First, set your scissors aside. Then, flatten your coffee filter to make a large circle. Fold the bottom half up alongside the top half to make a taco shape. When the edges are lined up, make a nice creased fold. Press the pause button if you need more time. Our next step is perhaps the hardest because we are attempting to make a 6-pointed snowflake. Instead of folding it in half like this, you will instead attempt to fold in a manner where we have our folded edge split this shape in half. As you can see, this line is about halfway between this edge and this edge. This should give us the basis for a 6-pointed snowflake. Fold this line and this line neatly. Pause if you need more time. Next, take the remaining unfolded portion and fold it over to make these two corners attach. Then, make another fold. Pause if you need more time. The next step involves your scissors, so get them out. We are now going to cut off this rounded edge to give our snowflake a more geometric shape. So approximately 1 centimeter in, or 1 finger's width in, on each end, we're going to cut, and we're going to cut a straight line across. Watch me, then you try. Now it looks like a triangle. Pause if you need more time. Now, when we unfold this shape, we will have a hexagon figure, but we're not actually ready to unfold it yet because we have to cut out our design. So, if you were like me and unfolded it, it is now time to fold it back up into your triangle shape. This is where your personal creativity comes in. Using the scissors, you can cut out different shapes on the edges of your triangle that will create the design of your snowflake. Do not cut all the way through your triangle or you will destroy your flake. I'm going to start with a little snip here, then some very basic shapes cut in like so. The deeper you cut in, the bigger the holes will be in your snowflake. These little ones I'm making are going to be the edges because it's on the back or the top edge of the triangle that we cut straight. Now mine is not overly detailed, it is very basic, but you'll see that the shapes I've cut out will turn it into a very neat looking snowflake pattern. There you are. I hope you enjoyed this guide in making a 6-pointed coffee filter snowflake.